question regarding health care is twofold.
The problem is twofold. One is that depending on how it's structured, if recipients are suddenly getting a plan that has their reimbursement rates going like this, but healthcare costs are still going up like that, then over time, the way we're saving money is essentially by capping what they're getting relative to their costs.
President Putin didn't hide it. He didn't hide that these were elements of the Russian armed forces, and it is something that we have to acknowledge. Just the same way Russia never hid that for the last 4 years, it has increased its defense budget twofold.
The challenge is twofold, Mr. President.